guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in tables into your Google Forms. So I'm just going to select this blank form here, and I'm just going to go to a Google Sheets that has a table. I'm just going to press Windows Shift S or Command Shift S, I think, on Mac, and I'm just going to screenshot this. Then I'm going to go to the screenshots page on my folder. Then I will just add it to the Google form. So select this and then select image, and I'm just going to drag it here, or you can select browse and open up a file. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!